Welcome back, students. Yesterday we have started exercise 14.2, chapter mensuration, and first three questions we have completed. The first three questions were based on the area and perimeter of square and rectangle. And now moving on to the question number 4. Read it from your book. A door of length 2 meter and width 1 meter is fitted in a wall. The length of the wall is 4.5 meter and the breadth is 3.6 meter as shown in the figure alongside. The diagram is given to you in your book. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall if the rate of whitewashing the wall is rupees 20 per meter square. Okay, according to the given question and in the given diagram, there is a wall and there is a door. This kind of the figure is given to you in question number 4. This is your wall and a door is given like that. We have to whitewash only the wall and this is the area where we have to whitewash. तो जिस एरिया पर आपको व्हाइट वॉश करना है पहले वो एरिया कैलकुलेट करना होगा. अब देखते हैं व्हाट आर द डायमेंशंस गिवन टू यू. 4.5 मीटर इज द लेंथ ऑफ द वॉल and 3.6 meter is the width of the wall. One thing we can observe here that length and breadth is different. Length and breadth different है तो ये जो फिगर है ये एक रेक्टेंगल होगी. It is a rectangular figure. So length of wall is equal to 4.5 meter and width of wall is equal to 3.6 meter. So what we can find? Area of the wall. So area of the wall will be equal to the area of the rectangle, and by formula the area of a rectangle is equal to length into width, length into breadth. Length is 4.5 and breadth is 3.6. Now multiply 45 by 36. 6 5 या 30, 6 4 या 24, 27, 3 5 या 15, 13, 0, 12, 6 1, 16.20 meter square. Right? So we have calculated the area of the wall. Now we will find the area of the door, and in the given question this is 1 meter and this is 2 meter. This is again a rectangular door. The door is given in a rectangular shape. So length of door is equal to 2 meter and width of wall door is equal to 1 meter. So area of the door, area of door again it is equal to length into breadth. Length is 2, breadth is 1, it is 2 meter square. To find out the area of the wall where we have to paint, we have to subtract the area of the door from the area of the wall. So area of the wall where we need to paint is equal to, so area of the wall which we need to paint is equal to area of wall minus area of door. Area of wall is equal to 16.20 meter square minus area of the door is 2 meter square. It is equal to 14.20 meter square, but the answer we haven't achieved yet. Answer कैसे आएगा? We have to find the cost and the cost is given as 20 rupees per meter square. मतलब 1 मीटर स्क्वायर एरिया पर अगर आप पेंट करते हैं उसका चार्ज 20 रुपीज है. Cost of painting, given that cost of painting या व्हाइट वॉश, है ना, वट एवर यू वांट टू राइट. सो कॉस्ट ऑफ पेंटिंग 1 मीटर स्क्वायर एरिया इज इक्वल टू ₹20. 1 मीटर स्क्वायर पर 20 रुपीज का चार्ज आता है और हमें कितने एरिया पर पेंट करवाना है? 14.20 मीटर स्क्वायर. सो टोटल कॉस्ट will be equal to ₹20 multiply 14.20. अब एक जीरो यहाँ पर है, एक जीरो यहाँ पर है, दो जीरो पहले मेंशन कर दिया हमने. अब जीरो यहाँ से भी कैंसिल हो गई, यहाँ से भी कैंसिल हो गई क्योंकि ऑलरेडी हम लिख चुके हैं. ये सिंपल हो गया 2 और ये सिंपल हो गया 14.2. अब मल्टीप्लाई करते हुए हम पॉइंट का ध्यान नहीं करते. 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो 142 की. 2 2 जा 4, 2 4 जा 8, 2 1 जा 2. डेसिमल है 14.20. आफ्टर 2 डेसिमल प्लेस मींस ये 2 प्लेसेस के बाद डेसिमल है, तो 2 प्लेसेस के बाद हम डेसिमल को पुट कर देंगे. सो द फाइनल कॉस्ट इज ₹284. It is your answer of question number 4. Move on to the next part.